morning, guys. Today it's a sad day indeed because our brothers and sisters from Philippines, they didn't take a nap at all because a powerful magnitude of 6.9 earthquake struck the central Philippines late Tuesday night, leaving a trail of destruction across several towns and cities in Cebu province and nearby Leyte city. The tremor, which occurred at 9:59 p.m. local time, had a shallow depth of 10 kilometers, intensifying its impact on infrastructure and communities. Hardest hits were the areas of Cebu City, Bogo, San Remigio, Medellin, Danbatayan, and parts of Leyte, where buildings crumbled, roads cracked, and power lines were collapsed. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PhilVox, recorded a maximum intensity of 6.9 in these locations. According to the Office of Civil Defense, the death toll has risen to 60, with over 200 people injured and dozens more missing. Hospitals in Bogo City and San Remigio have been overwhelmed, and emergency responders continue to search for survivors amid the rubble. However, the Governor Pamela Barriquatro of Cebu City issued a public statement urging the residents to be calm and vigilant. Also, the President of Philippines, Marcos Jr. Ferdinand, has ordered the national agencies to provide immediate aid, while local governments have declared state of calamity to expedite relief efforts. Despite the widespread damage, Mactan Cebu International Airport remains operational, ensuring the flow of emergency and supplies of personnel. That's a good thing. Rescue teams are working around the clock, and appeals for food, water, and medical assistance continue to pour in from affected communities. So that is what happened in Philippines yesterday. Indeed, it's sad, and just take a look. And I've really cried a lot because people have died, many people are missing, the infrastructure is down, including roads, walls, buildings. So people are really suffering in Philippines. Okay, take a look, just take a glance, and let's meet again on the next one.
Jesus! Jesus! No! Oh my God, Lord Jesus Christ! Yes! Lang, naglinog lang! Lord Jesus Christ! Yes! Mag-atras ka pa! Dili na rin na! Itawag! Lord Jesus Christ! Lord Jesus! Mama! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Jesus name! Jesus Christ!
Yawa!
Wow! Slowly. My gosh.
Crazy.
So crazy. Wow!
Scary.
I also so scared.
Is it normal?
Sometimes happens, but not like that. You feeling?
Not here, but upstairs it's really strong.